Hello everyone, in this video I am going to give you 31 free courses as a month-end offer for July. All these 31 premium courses you will get for free just by clicking the link given in the description below. So let's start with our first course. Our first course is related to designing and rendering for photorealistic effect, where you will learn importing model and adding texture and material, and rendering landscape time-lapse from the Lumina. Our second course is about Microsoft 365 Unlimited course 2021, where you will learn users, billing, reports, security, Azure Activity Directory, and many more concepts. Third course is about social media platform Facebook. Fourth course is about budget management and cost estimation. Fifth course is about real estate. This course has 19 hours on-demand video and full lifetime access as well as free certificate for all the courses in this video. Sixth course is of process costing system. This course have 8 hours on-demand video. In this course, you will learn about cost classification and cost flow process for manufacturing companies and many more new things. Seventh course is about accounting and reporting. Course number 8 is about public speaking. You will learn the art of conversation, body language, and how to control your gestures, and many more new things in 42 minutes. Ninth course is about financial statement analysis. This course is about 24 plus hours on demand video. 10th course is about Google Workspace G Suite. In this, you are going to learn about Google Docs, Google Forms, Sites, Jamboard, Calendar, Sheet, and all G Suite products. Course number 11, 12, and 13 is about Adobe Photoshop and PixArt. If you are interested in photography, then you must check these courses. Course 14 is about accounting and cost accounting. This course also have 24 plus hours on demand video. Course number 15 is about Microsoft Teams. I would like to remind you, if you don't subscribe my channel till 8, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like these courses, then hit the bell icon. Course number 16 is about GitLab. If you are interested to learn about Git and GitHub, then you must check this course. Course number 17 is about Scrum Fundamentals. Then course number 18 is about Agile. Course number 19 is about Governmental Accounting. Course number 20 is about Job Costing. Course number 21 is about Learn 47 different ways to make money online. This course is about 3 hours and we will learn many different strategies using which you can easily earn money online in 2021. Course number 22 is about Facebook Dynamic Ads. Then 23 is about Learn Microsoft Publisher 2016. Course number 24 is about Cost Volume Profit Analysis. This course is about accounting only. This course also have 22 hours on-demand video where you will learn many different concepts about accounting. Course number 25 is about accounting only where you will learn accounting software. This is our course number 26. Then this is 27. This is 28. 29. This is course number 30. And last but not least, course number 31 is about self-confidence and self-esteem. I am mentioning all these links in the description below. Go check the links. If you are interested in any of the course, then go and enroll for it. Don't wait, as this course will expire in one day only. You have just 24 hours. So if you are going to register any for this course, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it guys in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video.